Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start by running a speed test on a wired device and note Mbps. Compare measured download and upload against your plan speeds and expectations. Restart your modem and router every 7 to 14 days to clear memory and caches. Place your router centrally and 5 feet above the floor for better coverage. Choose Ethernet for gaming or streaming because wired connections avoid Wi-Fi interference and reduce latency. Check device count and limit heavy downloads during peak hours. Switch your devices to 5 GHz for less congestion when close to the router. Use 4 GHz when you need longer range through walls and floors. Update your router firmware monthly to improve stability and security fixes. Enable quality of service and prioritize video streaming or gaming for consistent performance. Change the Wi-Fi channel manually if neighbors cause interference and check crowded channels. Set a strong WPA2 or WPA3 password to stop unknown devices from slowing your network. Plug a laptop directly into the modem with Ethernet to isolate ISP issues. If direct speeds are under 80% of expected rates, contact your ISP and document test results. Consider upgrading your modem to DOCSIS 3.1 or moving to a modem-router combo for 1 Gbps service. Upgrade your plan if real needs exceed current monthly bandwidth. Deploy a mesh system or wired backhaul for consistent whole home coverage and higher throughput. Limit background updates and use ad blockers to reduce bandwidth.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.